Subject Measurement and Metrology. Practical number 5. Aim to study measure straightness using dial indicator. Principle of dial indicator. A dial indicator converts very small linear displacement into a readable angular movement of a pointer on a graduated dial. The core idea is mechanical amplification. A tiny straight line motion of the contact of the plunger becomes a large rotation of the point via rack and pinion gear train. So you can see and read minute changes easily and repeatably. Here is a figure of dial indicator. In this figure it is shown the dust cap, bezel lock, dial graduation, stamp, rack, contact point, revolution counter with small indicating hand, graduation value and tolerance marker. Construction. A dial indicator is constructed with a rigid metallic body that houses a precisely guided plunger or spindle which moves vertically when its contact point touches the work surface. The lower end of the plunger carries a hardened steel or carbide contact tip, while a return spring inside the body keeps the plunger pressed outward to maintain constant contact. Attached to the plunger is rack, a straight tooth gear that meshes with a small pinion gear, converting the plunger's linear motion into rotational motion. This pinion drives a series of precision gears known as the gear train, which amplifies the rotation and moves the pointer mounted on the final gear. The pointer sweeps across a circular graduated dial that is covered by transparent crystal for protection. A rotating bezel with a clamp allows the dial scale to be set to 0 for reference during measurement. The indicator is supported by stamp or mounting lug on its body, enabling it to be fixed to stands or fixture for stable and accurate use. Procedure. To measure the straightness of a surface using a dial indicator, the workpiece is first placed securely on a flat reference surface such as surface plate, and the dial indicator is mounted on a stable stand so that its plunger is perpendicular to the surface being tested. The contact point of the indicator is gently brought into touch with the starting point of the workpiece, and the bezel is rotated to set the pointer to 0. The indicator stand is then moved slowly and uniformly along the length of the workpiece, ensuring that the contact point maintains proper contact without lifting or excessive pressure. As the stand travels, the dial indicator shows variation in surface height, and any deviation of the pointer from 0 indicates irregularities or lack of straightness. The maximum positive and negative reading observed during the movement represent the total straightness error of the surface. Thank you.